Before you scroll, are you an MLS student or you know someone that is struggling to choose an MLS specialty? Then this post is for you. So MLS, which stand for Medical Laboratory Science, has four major specialty, which are the hematology, medical microbiology, clinical pathology, and histopathology. Choosing an MLO specialty isn't just about your grades, it's about your interest and strength. Because at the end of the day, you will spend your career working in that field. So choose a specialty that excites you, that motivates you to learn and grow. So let's talk about hematology, a major branch in medical laboratory science. Hematology, like they focus on blood and blood disorder. They perform tests such as tuber count, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, blood film, coagulation studies, and bleeding disorders. So ask yourself those questions. One, do you enjoy learning about blood or disorder like anemia, leukemia, and bleeding disorder? Two, can you stay calm and make accurate results under pressure? Three, can you interpret blood test results to solve clinical problems? And four, are you detailed oriented? Five, can you work in face-paced environment where results can save lives quickly? And six, will you enjoy being part of an emergency cases that require urgent blood testing and transfusion support? So if you answer most of these questions, then I think hematology is your calling. So the second part of the specialty in medical laboratory science is the medical microbiology aspect. So what they do, they identify and detect bacteria, parasites, viruses, and fungi in patient samples. They also help the doctor to determine the right antibiotics to treat infections. So ask yourself these questions. Are you curious about what causes infections? Do you enjoy using microscope? Like, do you enjoy detective like investigation to identify microorganisms? Do you enjoy to solve puzzles and identify any causes of disease? Like, can you follow strict laboratory safety procedure every day? Like, you know what I mean by that. So, and also, are you interested in antibiotic resistance and how infections are treated? So if you answer most of this question, then microbiology should be your specialty. So the third aspect is the clinical pathology, what they do. So they analyze blood and other body fluid, they measure glucose, hormones, electrolytes, and they also help to monitor diseases such as hormonal imbalance, diabetes, liver problems, and such. So what ask yourself this question. Do you enjoy chemistry more than biology? Do you like working with numbers and interpreting lab data results? And are you interested in diseases like diabetes, kidney disease, liver disease, and hormones? Can you solve clinical problems and compare it using reference values like lab values? And also, can you identify abnormal data? So if you answer most of those questions, then clinical pathology may be your calling. So the fourth aspect, which is the histopathology, what they do. Histopathology, they examine tissues and cells under the microscope. They diagnose cancers and other related diseases. They perform tissue staining and microscopy. So ask yourself this question. Do you enjoy histopathology lectures? Can you produce high quality work rather than rushing? And do you enjoy using the microscope for detailed analysis? Can you spend hours examining tissues and cells? And are you interested in cancer diagnosis and disease detection? So, if you answer most of these questions, then histopathology will be your calling. And of course, we have other many branches such as the immunology, the molecular diagnostic, the blood transfusion science, and others. So, and lastly, every MLS specialty is very important. There's no one is easy or there's best. Everything they are the same. Like, just choose the one that matches you. Don't choose based on what others says or make your own findings. Yes, make your own findings. And also in MLS, you will be exposed to different clinical posting, and during that time you should be able to find out which one interests you most. So, and also at the end of the day, this journey you will need practical materials to help you in this, and such as the mobile lab. So I say mobile lab, a quality and affordable mobile lab material such as this. So you can see the capillary to wire loop and the micropipette and many other the glass slide cover slip. You're going to need most of it for your practicals. So you can DM for your laboratory material. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Bye. And also remember, you learn it, practice it, master it, and you achieve it. That's